How to post on Bluesky social. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, simply open up your Bluesky social account, and on the left hand side panel you would be able to find these options. Right below them you would be able to find the option for new post. Simply click on it. Now here you can type anything. If you want to add the picture, simply select this option. If you want to add a video, simply select this option. You can add GIFs as well and emojis for this particular option. If you want to limit this particular post, simply select this option of anybody can interact, and here you can select or mention different users who you want to direct this particular post and click on save. And after that you can type the comment or the post, and it should be in less than 300 characters. And if you want to change the language, simply select the English over here. You get different options for the languages, and you can also select the other. And this is how you would be able to create a post. Then click on this option of post in order to post it. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.